Hello. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can print a document and you can hold it inside the photocopier. You can print previews and kind of drafts of it before you do a big print run. And you can also print documents, hold them in the machine. They can either stay there forever or you can have them delete on print. So let's go find, you have obviously have your document, you'll press print. And you'll go to your Lexmark machine, you press the properties tab, and then you'll see some tabs up the top. Just go to print and hold, and then you're going to click on use print and hold. So generally what happens is it'll kind of grab the computer name. So I'm just using a laptop at the moment. And then you'll see there's lots of little options here. And what you need to do, it's pretty self-explanatory. It's going to tell you what each option is. So confidential print. So this is where you can have like secure print without having a paid program. So you can actually say, hey, I want this document to store the print job on the printer. You can actually put a PIN code in, so always prompt for a PIN, or you just pop a PIN code. So I'm going to pop a PIN code in there. If I press print now, I'll just press OK. This is actually going to, and then I'm going to press, so I'll press print there. It'll actually print the document to the printer itself. It will not print out, but it's going to sit inside the printer. Then you walk up to the printer, you go to the print option, and then your document's going to be sitting there under usually your computer name, and then it'll have the document sitting there. You press on the document, you type in the PIN, and it will print while you're standing in front of it, and then it will actually delete on print. So if I go back to the menu here, if I change this to do verify print, it'll print the document on the printer now. It'll proof it, and then it'll print the remaining. So you might want to print 100 copies, but you're like, let me just see the first copy before you do the whole, rest of the 99. So reserve print. This is very similar to the confidential print, except you don't put a PIN code on it. So you might print a document like a HR document, timesheets, career sheets, handbooks, whatever it is, menus, daily menus. Or just your menu, and then waiters don't have to keep annoying someone at 7 p.m. The admin team's not there. Anyway, documents that you keep printing, so you can press print, it will go onto the printer again, and then anytime someone needs that print job, they'll just walk up to the printer in the print section on the icon. That document would be sitting there, and they just need to press the document and say, I want 1 copy, 2 copies, 10 copies, whatever it is. If you need to update the document, you simply can just override it, or just go to the machine, delete it, and then print another one. And then repeat print. That's pretty self-explanatory. So you can use, so basically the main thing is I find most people use confidential print a lot. Payroll, just anything that's confidential, you just can't have sitting on there all the time. Verify is great for people marketing or doing lots of documents. Reserve prints for people who don't have access to a computer, or we don't really want them annoying you every 5 minutes. So there's some nice little handy tips that you can use and apply to your Lexmark printer as of today.